Hey, guys, we made it to day 5. Day 5 of the challenge is here. So as of now, we have talked about a lot covering this whole entire week, right? We've talked about why you want to create a course. What would it do for your family? What would it do for your lifestyle? What would it do for you, right? We've also talked about what the course would even be about, right? At least an idea, your ideas, what you could possibly teach right about now that will really just sell like hotcakes, right? Not to mention that we also focus a lot on your audience because this is the most pivotal, crucial component of creating courses, right? Creating things that's going to help other people. You have to make sure that it's the perfect product or the perfect course or whatever it is for that person. So we dug 2 days into ideal audiences, right? Pain points, solutions, all that stuff. Now, guess what? We are here to the big woo-ha. And in the big woo-ha, what do? You make it real. So today, I want you guys to go into your workbooks and just focus on making it real. Just simple as that. I want you to really start thinking about what will your course be. What kind of course will it be? Will it be a workshop? Will it be a digital course? Will it be a live masterclass? Will it be a webinar? Will it be an ebook? What will it be, right? This is making it real. You can start thinking about the link. You can start thinking about the content. And the content component should be fairly easy if you did the steps that we talked about previously, right? You also, guess what? You're going to give it a name. Give it a name. So now you're not going to no longer say, hey, I want to work on creating a course. What you're going to say is, whatever the name of the course is, I'll spend an hour today working on BAM. Give it a name. You're going to say something like, hey, today I think I want to work on sandwiches for Samantha for a whole hour, right? Give it a name. Make it real, because not only are you going to give it a name, guess what? You're going to give it a date, a launch date. A launch date. If that does not make it real, I don't know what else. Now, you know, we don't really set these kind of things to fail. So once you give it an actual name and you give it an actual date, now the work, you just put in the work, right, to get it done. So you just crunch down that time and whatever that time frame needs to be and make it real. So if you want to launch your program or your course in 30 days, you know weekly you got to dedicate X amount of hours to creating your course. Now you don't have to have it all mapped out. You do not. That is the beauty of pre-selling, right? You actually can sell this thing before you even start creating it, right? Once you do all of the work that we've done this week and you really get that thing validated, you can start selling before you start creating any kind of content, before you start creating any kind of videos or anything like that. So I'm excited for today because you guys are going to meet me in a group. You're going to tell me your launch dates. You're going to share with me some names, some possible names. And then guess what? The work starts. Did you hear that, Kayla? The work starts. So you guys join me in the group. I got some special announcements, especially for everyone that really showed up every day and participated and gave it their all. I got something special for you guys. So meet me in the group, 12 o'clock noon Eastern Standard Time. And till then, be blessed.